Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Rotating a matrix, or array, is a common operation in numerical computing, and numpy provides efficient ways to perform such operations. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to rotate a 2D matrix, or image, using numpy. Rotating a matrix. Rotating a matrix can be done in several ways, depending on the desired rotation angle. The most common rotations are 190 degrees clockwise, 290 degrees counterclockwise, 180 degrees. We'll look at how to perform these rotations using numpy. Prerequisites. Make sure you have numpy installed. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using pip. ###1. Rotating 90 degrees clockwise. To rotate a matrix 90 degrees clockwise, you can use the following approach. 1. Transpose the matrix. 2. Reverse the order of columns. ###. Code example. ###2. Rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise. To rotate a matrix 90 degrees counterclockwise, you can 1. Transpose the matrix. 2. Reverse the order of rows. ###. Code example. ###3. Rotating 180 degrees. To rotate a matrix 180 degrees, you can simply reverse both the rows and the columns. ###. Code example. ###. Summary. Here's a summary of the functions we created. Rotate _90 clockwise, matrix, rotates the matrix 90 degrees clockwise. Rotate _90 counterclockwise, matrix, rotates the matrix 90 degrees counterclockwise. Rotate _180, matrix, rotates the matrix 180 degrees. ###. Full code example. Here's the complete code with all the functions together. Conclusion. Rotating matrices is a straightforward task with numpy, and the methods shown above are efficient and easy to implement. You can use these functions in larger applications, such as image processing or scientific computations. Happy coding!